possibility.
Kidukhat jangka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ke Jylla mendakas ngig la Kynmaw Burom kerpang yaki Nongïalam jangka Jylla berkumju ru jangka ribaro kawe ki bala Khlad no dangshen dakabas dang ye ke jing emerging mud menteri rangba ke Jylla konrat ki sangma ulong bau Nongïalam bala ibha uba SD khongwir ubala Khlad no dangshen ula trei klem shong tait na kabenta ka bha kamiat jangki paitba Ïingdorbar kala Kynmaw Burom ru yu MLA berim na rongjeng uni him song ar sangma ubala Khlad no house nem 8,000 aphuwe Nongïalam kaliang persya obat Roni Vilingdo bat Nongïalam bala Kham ru komu mukal sangmaru kilai ro ashikat de ekat tukat ni Nongïalam jong ke Jylla ba jong ka ri hi baro ko wei ki bala Khlad no dangshen lapen long ru ye ke jinga ngap jar ka ba 8 minit kom ka dak ban Burom ye ki min siem bala Khlad no.
In the last 6 months, the state as well as the nation as a whole has lost many great leaders.
In condoling the sad demise of this number of illustrious leaders who at different times and in their respective capacities have collectively contributed towards the peace, progress and prosperity of our state and in their respective states and for the growth and prosperity of the nation as a whole.
So, Mr. Speaker, sir, in this solemn moment, I stand before you not just an opposition leader, but as a fellow custodian of this sacred institution in paying tribute to the extraordinary lives and dedicated service of those who have left an indelible mark on the August Assembly.
Menteri rangba ke Jylla Meghalaya konrat ki sangma mendakas ngi